And welcome back. Well, some women have problems they're too embarrassed to talk about with their doctor, even though these issues have a significant impact on their marriage, daily activities, and their sex lives. So here to discuss new technology for vaginal rejuvenation that has no downtime is Dr. Mark Blake, a plastic surgeon with the Clinic of Cosmetic Surgery, along with Renee Scheiber, a laser specialist. Welcome to the Morning Blend, both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I was saying, this topic kind of makes people feel a little embarrassed sometimes, a little bit like you're back in 5th grade health class, and it's a tough topic for some women to talk about, but the truth is that it's embarrassing and it causes a lot of problems in your family, maybe sometimes your relationships, and so it really is something you need to feel comfortable talking to a doctor about, right?
Absolutely.
And so when people come to you, let's talk about this new treatment. This is a treatment for vaginal rejuvenation. What exactly is it?
Well, THERMIva is the name of the procedure. It's a radiofrequency device that uses controlled heat to stimulate, remodel, and restore collagen, both internally and externally.
So what does it treat? When you talk about using it for rejuvenation and it's stimulating collagen, what exactly does it help?
So there's multiple different treatment options or reasons why somebody might have this procedure done. For vaginal dryness or atrophic vaginitis, for laxity, both internally and externally, for stress and urge incontinence or leaky bladder symptoms, and then for orgasmic dysfunction as well. So it not only can heighten sensitivity, but it also helps for that leaky bladder symptoms that many women have.
Well, a lot of people after having children, too, experience a lot of issues.
30% of women over 30 and 50% of women over 50 have this, so it's a significant problem that's out there, and oftentimes, as you said, women are, kind of embarrassed to talk about it.
Do you think that that's the reason that most people don't seek help, or is it they're worried there's nothing that you can do that's safe?
I think many women are scared of surgery or some of the more invasive treatment options that are out there, and that's what's nice about this. It's non-invasive procedure, non-surgical, that takes about 25 minutes to do. No downtime, very comfortable.
So it's safe. It's something that you said people don't have to worry about. There's no surgery involved. There's no downtime. What exactly does it feel like for a woman? Because you brought an example of what it is.
Right. So this is the one-time use single applicator that's used for it. It has a thermistor, which is just measures temperature on the end of the device, and so this goes and emits radiofrequency energy at a controlled temperature, and it feels like a warming sensation. Some women describe it as like a hot stone massage. So it's very comfortable. The procedure takes about 25 minutes to do.
Is it something you do yourself, or this is something that the doctor does for you?
So either the doctor does or Renee does. It's whichever the patient is more comfortable with. So we have different options for the patient, but it is something that is very comfortable. There's no sedation. There's no real pretty pain-free as far as the procedure goes. And radiofrequency is a technology that's been around for many purposes. We use it for skin tightening all the time. When it was used for facial tightening, it was used by an obstetrician for vaginal reasons, and just found amazing results with it. So this is something that's kind of blossomed into many different treatment modalities for us.
And not so involved, as you said, not so scary of thinking like, oh, I need to have some sort of surgery and these problems, I have to live with them. You don't have to. I think that's one of the things that women need to know is that, a lot of times in a relationship, say that there's dryness. That's one of the symptoms. You think, oh, well, maybe my husband thinks that I'm not interested anymore, but it might be more, a little deeper than that, might be more physical. So what kind of results are you seeing or hearing from women?
We've seen basically 100% results of significant improvement for one of those treatment symptoms that people have. So whether it's due to dryness, having increased moisture, whether it's due to tightness, we see immediate tightness right after the procedure is done. So you see the immediate results. And then the collagen remodeling continues for up to 4 months after that. So you see continued improvement in the incontinence. Women that come in and have it done for that reason have noticed immediately when they're back at the gym, on the treadmill, on a trampoline, that they're able to do that in comfort and not embarrassed about leakage.
Yeah. What do you hear women say, Renee? Because you're directly dealing with a lot of the women as well.
Exactly. You know, when they come back for their second treatment, they're noticing tightening, improved sensation, dryness. If they have painful intercourse, they're noticing a better experience. Incontinency is definitely improvement after one treatment for some. And overall experiencing, I would say experiencing most of sexual excitement that's actually changed, and for some people it has saved their relationship.
Well, I bet a lot of women tell you, I wish I had done it earlier.
Yes.
You know, that they've just lived with some of these issues thinking there was nothing they could do.
Right, right. And it's been really a home run. It's changed women's lives. Everybody's very comfortable during the treatment. They are excited for the second one. Some people, they will do 3 treatments, but you know, 1 or 2, and they're very happy.
So 3 treatments is maybe optimal, but you can do less than that too?
The recommendation is 3 treatments. Each treatment is spaced about 4 to 6 weeks apart. But as Renee said, many women are having success after 1 treatment and don't need a second or third. And then usually we recommend a maintenance treatment at about a year.
Okay. And you've got a special right now for people that they can take part in, because the cost is something people always worry about, but you've got this great special here for Morning Blend viewers at the Clinic of Cosmetic Surgery. Each treatment right now is $1,000. You can get 3 treatments for $2,400 and save yourself $600 as well. Here's where you call to make an appointment: 414-963-0500. Again, 414-963-0500. A tough topic to talk about, but important, and I think it probably helps a lot of people. So thank you guys for being here.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.